Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, and today we're looking at the Astro A20s. Just a quick video unboxing them and talking about some thoughts about them. So I've had them for about a week now, and I've been using them for the PS5. I bought them from GameStop when I got them, but you can find them online for around $99 for the PS5. It is my first wireless headset I've ever had, and I did find there is one issue. Try to plug it into the front of the PS5 if you have it inside of like an entertainment console or a system, because if it gets in the back and it gets hot in there, sometimes it messes that connectivity. So I'd recommend plugging them in the front, especially if you want to walk around your house. I'm able to walk around my entire apartment and keep my connectivity. I've had an issue with them when they're in the back of kind of clipping and little pop noises, but I do wonder if that is from other people's mics making it, into my headset and they're talking and their mic's acting weird, or if it is the headset itself. But other than that, for about a week, I've had no issues. It's easy to plug in, put on, turn them on and off. I do actually recommend them. If you are looking for a headset mic, I do think the sound's good, and it has an interesting function where if you are close to the mic, it will actually play your sound back to you to let you know that you're breathing in the mic too loud. So pretty cool. I hope this helps some of you all make a decision. If you're looking to buy a pair, we'll have a link in the description down below. Like I said, they're around $99, and that'll be an affiliate link. It will help us out. But other than that, I hope this video helped you. So feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.